Guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome if you're new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into this video. So for today's video, I have some more Born Pretty gel polishes I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing for you guys. So immediately when I opened up the package, I fell in love with these black matte finish bottles. Like, these are just so pretty. And here is a closer look of the bottles. So this is the size of the jars, and here is the back as well. So I'm going to show you guys the consistency of these gel polishes, and this is their Macaroon collection. I will make sure I leave the link down below. So the consistency is very nice. These gel polishes have a very good coverage. As you can see, these just have one coat and it does a very good job of covering these swatches. The quality of these gel polishes are very nice and they are very beginner friendly, so I would recommend these for beginners. So I'm just going to finish up showing you guys an up close of the consistency of each color and swatching them. Each color has been cured for 30 seconds, and once I finish swatching, I'm going to show you guys how they look as a whole collection. So like I mentioned, this is their Macaroon collection, and that name just suits these colors so perfect. These are all of the colors side by side as a kit, and these are very nice. I really enjoy these, and like I said, I will leave the link down below to where you can get this kit if you are interested. So for my nails, I'm going to be doing a different type of video. I have my nails on my nail stand, and this is the Extreme Square from enailcoutoure, and I'm going to be using the Sea, Swing, and Sun from Nail Addict, and I'm putting this as a base of all of my nails. So the thought process behind this nail set was a little bit different, so I couldn't come up with anything to do with these colors, so I went on Pinterest to find some inspiration, and I came across this beautiful nail design, and I will pop it on the screen once I get to that part. But I came across this design and I thought these colors would look so good trying to recreate it, so I wanted to recreate this entire nail set and see how I do at the end. Like, I just wanted to compare it because, as you guys know, I'm not very good with nail art, so I just wanted to challenge myself in a way. So once I was done with that, then base coat, I just cured that for 30 seconds, and I placed all of the colors on my nail palette, and I have a white which is from Melanie Susie in the shade 1010, just in case you guys are interested or wondering. So while on Amazon, I seen these nail brushes and I just couldn't help but get them. Like, look at these, they are so cute. This is how the brushes look, so I'm going to be using this in my video, and then I'm also going to be using a dotting tool. This video will not be a in-depth voiceover explaining each nail. I'm just going to pop up the picture of the nail I'm attempting to do, and I'm just going to let you guys watch this entire process. Hopefully you don't get too bored. I did speed it up a little bit. If you enjoy seeing nail art, then this is the perfect video. But if you enjoy that application of polygel or acrylic, this may not be that interesting to you. Hopefully you stick around with me anyways. I would really appreciate the support. So this is the nail design that I'm going to be trying to recreate, and she did watermark it with her ad name, so make sure that you go check out her channel or her Instagram. And I'm starting with the index finger. I won't be copying this design to the T, but I did, like, it's very inspired from this picture. Some of the designs may be in different directions, but you know, you still get the point. So I'm just going to let this process play out, and I will come back in the end. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. So for my thumb, what I decided to do was, since I couldn't see how the thumb looked in the inspiration picture, I just took some of each design from the nails and incorporated it into one. So as you can see, I'm doing some lines. I'm going to also do some flowers and the little dots and stars that I add in the end. And that's just what I decided to do for the thumb. I don't have anything to put up on the screen as my inspo for this, so I'm just going to let this play out and continue with each of the nails. So once I was done with all of the nails, I did go back and add the dots and little stars. So I'm just going to be adding those finishing touches to the nails, and then I will show you guys how they look. So once I finish adding the little stars and dots, here is how these nails look, and so far I am in love with these. Like, I did so good in my opinion. For me being a beginner, like, these just look so nice. So I went ahead and applied them to my nail using some base coat, and I'm just wiping off that tacky layer. And once I wipe off the tacky layer, I'm going to go in with some top coat. The top coat I'm using is from Beetles. I'm just going to apply an even layer to all of the nails and cure for 30 seconds and add my cuticle oil. So after doing all of that, these are how the nails turn out, and I love these nails so much. I think I did a very good job in my opinion. I will place the inspo picture on the screen once again just so you can see one last comparison of the finished nails. Rate this on a scale of 1 to 10 on how well you think I did in the execution and neatness. And guys, you will not offend me, like, be honest. I really want to know what you guys think, and as always, if you have made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video.